Hello, in this lecture, we're going to cover keeping it all digital, but you can have business cards. So I'm going to tell you a little story. Around 9 years ago, I wanted to start a little business out of my home. And I did everything that I thought I was supposed to do. I worked with a designer to create business cards. 3 weeks later, and after spending something around $165, I got my first order of 1,000 business cards. I was so proud. I got the box in the mail, opened it up, and saw my card. Then I proceeded to buy pens with my business name on them. Then I bought a printer and a copier. I even bought a $300 fax machine. Really. And long story short, I didn't make a dime with the business, and I wasted a ton of time and money in the process. So, as we've already covered, there's very little you actually have to buy to start this business. When you think about it, you have an online business. It makes sense then that most of your business marketing is also online. And one of my goals is to help you get to money making quickly and not money spending. Ideally, you're not spending a lot of money to get started. With that said, there is one and only one offline or physical tool that will serve you well, and that is your business card. Vistaprint.com is a great place to get business cards. They have ridiculously cheap prices on high quality cards. And in fact, be sure, just like with the domain or hosting anything that you're buying online, be sure to search for a coupon code, and that'll help you save even more money. At this point, don't spend any more than $20 tops for your first round of cards. The reason for that is because you'll get your cards, and as your business evolves, probably pretty quickly after you get going with some first paying clients, you might want to make some changes to your card. So just get a minimum order of something like 250 or 500 cards just to get started. Don't spend any more than $20. You do want to spend some time looking at other business cards you may already have lying around the house or the office. And then when you use a service like Vistaprint, they already have countless professionally designed templates that you can use. All you have to do is simply pop in your logo and your business information, change the colors to match your own, and then you can proof the card immediately right there online. Then all you have to do is select how many you want, and then you're good to go. And this is all really that you need to get started. In fact, I used Vistaprint when I first got started. I used a template. I plugged in my logo, changed it to my colors, and I haven't changed my business card since. So it's really all that you'll need to get started. You don't have to spend a lot of time working with a graphic designer to create the most beautiful card, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on super fancy cards. People do throw them away. So if you're spending a lot of money on super thick cardstock, it's just kind of a waste of money. You don't have to get the bare minimum, or excuse me, the thinnest card there is, but just get a basic card. That's all you need. If you have a great logo and a great company name and some good colors, that's going to be much more important than what material your business card is made out of. You might, like I mentioned, you might change your business card as you go on. You might get a different number. You might get a Google number or a Skype number. You want to make sure that when you first print your cards, you get just a minimum order, something like 250 or 500 cards. Again, like I said, just to save you a little bit of money, be sure to search for a coupon code when checking out. Vistaprint is like all the others. They have ridiculous coupons all the time. You can get half off or 90% off or whatever. So just a word of warning, companies like Vistaprint are going to tempt you with upsells. They're going to show you other products like pens and stationery and car magnets and coffee mugs and so on. And they're going to put all your pretty logo right there front and center. So they're going to show you right away what your coffee mug would look like with your logo on it. Resist the temptation. You don't need any of that stuff. You just don't. The only physical product that you need is a business card. I know it's exciting to have your own business, and drinking out of your own custom company coffee mug is super tempting, but at this point you're trying to grow your own business and not their business. So stick to your business cards and check out, and everything else right now at this point at least is a waste of money. In fact, you'll most likely never use any of that material again. The pens are tempting, but you'll never really use that. So I think I've beat the business card aspect to death. Get business cards, but you don't need any other physical products at this point in your business. And Now, in the next section and the next lecture, we'll talk about how to make your first sale, the good stuff.